Everyone, today I'll show you how to use Lambda and API Gateway. Let's start. So we go to AWS Management Console and search for Lambda. So in the Lambda, we click Create a Functions and we select Author from Scratch. We give it a name, my uni function 1, for example. And then we create a function. In this function, we just keep the sample which only return the simple message. We just test it, for to make sure that Lambda is working. So this is the place where we write the Lambda functions, and this is the sample code have been generated for us. Basically, it just return a hello message and a set that costs 200. Okay, we can test by creating a test event. Let's say test one and then create. So when we click test, we can test our Lambda function, and this is the result. So it will return JSON with stated codes and everything like this. We can call our Lambda function in using different ways. One of the most common way is to 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 use the API gateway. Okay, so we add a trigger. So in a trigger, we can select API gateway, or even uploading to S3, or a message from Simple Notification Service, CloudWatch, DynamoDB event. Okay, so in this example, we select API gateway. We'll create a new API and with no security, so everyone can access. Okay, so there we go. We have an API gateway with the endpoints like this. We can right click here to call the endpoints, and this is the message we see. We can continue copy this endpoint, and we can run it in another API client, such as this Postman, and the result is also the same. Thanks for watching.